Hey guys, thanks for tuning into my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a bake with me, because in my last video I made my own cupcakes for my college reveal video, and I actually like baking or whatever, and also the cupcakes came out really good, so I decided that I was going to do a bake with me since I had bought another cake mix and another icing, and my sister has been saying like she wants more, so hopefully these come out the same way that the other ones came out, because if not, then this is a flop. Okay, and just before I get into the video, I want to say that I'm sorry for all the noise that was in the other video, and it won't be any this time, and that was the first video that had noise in it. But as y'all can see, I am trying to like do different videos on my channel, because I don't know which ones y'all really like, but I know that college videos are a must, and then I know makeup videos are too, and the other ones I don't know. Just comment what kind of videos I like, and without further ado, we're gonna get right into the video. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and hit the bell button down below so you're notified every time that I post. All right, y'all, so before we get into the video, well, like into the baking part of the video, I'm just gonna show y'all all the things that I'll be using today. So to start off, I'm gonna be using this fudge marble cake mix right here. This is gonna be how the cupcakes turn out. Whew. And then I'm going to be using this Crisco pure vegetable oil. I bought my own personal one, but I don't really need that much. I bought this milk chocolate icing because I don't really like chocolate icing, but if I make it good enough, I might like it. And then the next thing, this is like a tool that I'm gonna be using. That's pretty obvious, you know. I don't know what it's called, but the mixer, that's what I'm gonna say. Okay, so I have this bowl that I'm gonna mix all the ingredients in. And then I have these 3 eggs right here, you know. You need 3 eggs. And then to put the cupcakes in, I have these like pans. I don't know how many this is gonna make, because this box honestly feels a little smaller than the other box I have for my college reveal cupcakes, which y'all should go check out. You know, y'all should go check that video out, because your girl is going to college and you need to know which one she's going to, and you need to know which one she got accepted to and the one she didn't get accepted to. So yeah. And then we have these dang, what are they called? Baking cups. These baking cups, and I picked these out because they were closer to Costal's color or whatever, so I just picked these out because of that reason. And a lot of my schools that I applied to were blue. Alright, y'all, so I also forgot to mention that I will be using measuring cups. They don't have neither one has the measurement that I need, but I'm gonna play it off, you know. It's okay, sweetheart. It's okay that I don't have it. Well, it doesn't have the exact number on here, but we'll figure it out. And just like last time with the butter sticks, I think I'm a like look at it kind of person. Like, I don't really need measurements, but I'm gonna try to follow them as best as I can, even though it's not on here. So y'all get the point that the exact measurement isn't on here, but we're gonna do the best that we can. Okay, so we're gonna start mixing first. I'm gonna put, I think y'all know what I'm gonna do first. Gotta pour it somewhere. Open thing up. Don't even, y'all, I was gonna say, it doesn't even look like marble. I'm a slow person. Okay, so since I don't know how, I think I just opened it regular last time, which isn't, I'm not a professional baker. This is actually just a hobby. The that I've come to like during this quarantine. So I will be baking more. Maybe I'll try cake next or something. But we will see. Only if y'all like this video, because if y'all don't like it or watch it, then I'm not gonna do another one. But I will continue baking, and I might just start posting stuff. Okay. So now, we're just gonna mix everything together. I don't know about the fudge. Maybe I'll pour it in there after I mix. Should I do that, guys? Or should I do it now? I'm gonna do it after. Okay. So now I'm just gonna do the. This is how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do the water, then the grease, the oil, the water, the oil, and then the eggs, and then I pour this in there. It doesn't really tell me how I should do it, but that's how I'm gonna do it. Okay. Y'all know what's stuck in my head? Bring it around. How you move, how you get down. Hey, now see that. It really is stuck in my head, but we're not gonna talk about that. Okay, so the water. For water, you need 1 cup. You need 1 cup of water, and then for oil, you need 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. So I got the 1/2 cup, the 1 cup of water. I have that. Okay, so this is the 1 cup of water. Pour it up in there. And then I need 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, which I'm about to pour in this small one. And the noise is me washing these out. Okay? Okay. Just wanted to let y'all know. Just wanted to let y'all know. Because, yeah, we're not going to talk about why. And y'all, I'm a dumb nut because it has 1/3 cup on here, so that's a lifesaver as well. I think I'm gonna mix it a little bit and then put the fudge in there, because that's just how I'm feeling right now. But this top not coming off. Alright, so if this was a recipe with the butter, y'all would see me like playing it more by how it looks, because that's what I did last time. But this one has like the measurements and stuff. The butter did too, but like, how can you really measure butter without like it getting really messy? So yeah. Oh, y'all, I was about to go ahead and mix, but I forgot the eggs. So we're gonna crack those. And it's required 3 eggs, okay? And y'all, I did a poll on my Instagram, and more people wanted to see this video than the quarantine video. Well, quarantine with me and like my quarantine routine. But I will be doing that. I'll be recording that tomorrow, and I'll be posting this one tomorrow. So both of them will get uploaded this week, because y'all love me and I love y'all. So yeah, now we're just gonna mix, and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so now we're gonna pour the fudge in there since I mixed it up a little bit, and y'all just saw. So we're just gonna shake it all around. What if it turned out like a chocolate cupcake? I would cry. But it's okay if it does. It's just like cocoa powder. But yeah, I'm gonna mix that, and then we'll be back again. Okay, y'all. So right now, I don't believe that these cupcakes will be marble. They will be chocolate. So this is a fail. But we're gonna keep going, because it's okay. You might not get it right the first time, but the next time you might. And I believe I'm going to be trying these again. But they're not marbles today, so they'll be chocolate cupcakes. Yeah. Okay, y'all. It looks like chocolate ice cream, but we're not gonna talk about that. Okay. So now we're gonna just leave that for a minute. And then we're gonna set our oven for 350. Well, 325 because we have like non-stick pans. And then we're gonna like grease them. And I'm gonna bring y'all to see that. Well, I'm gonna come over here. Alright, so for these, I just put these in there. I think I want to do like all blue today. But we'll see how many of those we have. Y'all, this was a fail, but it's okay. These things be getting stuck together. Like, what you doing? Like, it shouldn't be this difficult. Alright, and just to show y'all an example, this is how they will look. And then you get your spray so you can spray it just to make sure your cupcakes just come out good. And you just spray it like this. No, it's not a mess, but that's how you do it. And that's it. And then you pour your batter in. Okay, y'all, so now we're just waiting for the cupcakes to get done. It'll be about 15, 20, however many minutes they need to take to get done. So we're just waiting for those to finish, and then we'll let them cool and then ice them. So yeah, we're just outside. I might do a TikTok or something, but if I do, I'll put it like, y'all know, y'all see the video. But now we're just waiting. We might have a dance party or something, or a singing party, because you know, music makes me feel like this. But no, I'm just kidding. But yeah, we're just waiting for them to finish. I'm outside because I'm about to get lunch from the buses. And look how clear the sky is. Like, here the sky is so clear. Like where I stay, it just be so pretty. Like, just admire it and admire me in it. Alright guys, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video, this bake with me, and y'all just seeing like the steps that I do to bake cupcakes or whatever. If y'all like this video, I will be doing more, but this is how they look, and y'all will see like pictures of like the presentation. You know, the presentation is gotta be great. But before I end this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and hit the bell button down below so you'll be notified every time I post. And just let me know if you like this video and if you want to see more down below. And I'll see y'all in my next one.